Good afternoon everyone. I am Vishnu from KSRCT. Now we can discuss about fundamentals of quality standard. First key learned in the course. First, quality function deployment, Kano model, design failure mode and effect analysis, tools for quality planning, ISO standard, the benchmarking process. Now we can discuss about one by one. First, quality function deployment. Quality function deployment is a matrix product planning decision making to customer driven engineering. Every organization has customers. Some have only internal customers, some have only external customers, and some have both. To the main process of they transform the voice of the customer. Kano model. Kano model is one of the pressurization framework designed to help product teams and to protect new innovatives of the customers and to direct the customer to product development and customer certification potential new features by grouping them into the categories. Third, design failure mode and effect analysis. Design failure mode and effect analysis systematic group of activities and to recognize and evaluate potential system, products or process failures. We conduct investigation to identify the materials and component damage. Tools for quality planning, cause and effect diagram, check sheet template, control chart, histogram, Pareto chart, scatter diagram, and starification template. ISO standards. ISO 9000 family of standards is related to quality management system and designed to help organizations ensure that they meet the need of the customers and stakeholders. ISO 9000 deals with the fundamentals of quality management system and 8 management principles on which the family standards. ISO 9000 can help a company satisfy its customers, meet regulatory requirements, and achieve continual improvement. Benchmarking process. First, planning, collection of information and analysis of data, implementation, last monitoring. Recognition of QM awards. There are 4 types of awards. First, Baldrige Award, Deming Prize, EFQM Excellence Award, Rajiv Gandhi National Award. First, Baldrige Award. Baldrige Award is American organization in all sectors of the economy for demonstrating performance excellence using the system and the other core concept and values of Baldrige Excellence Framework. Applicants are evaluated for the award against the criteria for the performance of excellence. Second one is Deming Prize. Deming Prize is the longest running and one of the highest award on TQM, stands for Total Quality Management in the world, recognize both individuals for the contribution to the field of total quality management and business that have successfully implemented in TQM. Third, EFQM Excellence Award. EFQM Excellence Award is a transnational quality award that recognizes European business with excellent and sustainable results across all areas of EFQM Excellence model. It was established in October 1991 as the European Quality Award by the European Foundation for the Quality Management. At last, Rajiv Gandhi National Award. Rajiv Gandhi National Award. Rajiv Gandhi National Award is the quality award given by the Bureau of Indian Standards to the Indian organization that show excellence in their performance. It's named after Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India, was introduced in 1991 after his death. Types of quality. First, product quality, process quality, software quality. First, we can discuss about product quality. Product quality to incorporate features that have a capacity to meet consumer needs and gives customer satisfaction by improving goods and making them free from any deficiencies or defects. Second one, process. Process quality is refers to the degree which an acceptable process, including some measurement and criteria for quality, has been implemented and in order to produce the measuring and assessing process quality and manage profitability. Software quality. Software quality is a field of study and a practice that describes the desirable attributes of software products. There are 2 main approaches to software quality: defect management and quality attributes. Benefits of course for me: to gain knowledge on technical side, difference award in QM, improve my professional skills, and then ISO standards. Thank you.